Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still continuing to find unknown measurements. So please open your book, page 617.
Alex has a piece of ribbon that is 45 feet long. He cuts the ribbon. Now he has 39 feet of ribbon. How many feet of ribbon did Alex cut off? Draw a picture and write an equation to solve. Show your work.
All right. So Alex has a piece of ribbon that is 45 feet long. He cuts. So means he removed, he took away. So he cuts the ribbon. Now he has 39 feet of ribbon. So let's see how we will do that. Over here, we can use the open number line. So let's draw. And then we can start from 45 and count backward all the way till we reach 39. So 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39. Why I stop on 39? Because that's what he has now. Okay, we can count these jumps. Let's write here 39. And let's count our jump. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 jump. So we can write this 45 minus 6 equals 39. Let's put right. Let's go and watch our video.
A string is 28 centimeters. Alex cuts off a piece. Now the string is 16 centimeters. How long is the piece of string Alex cut off? How can you use subtraction to solve this problem? How can you use addition? To use subtraction, you can think 28 take away what number equals 16. To use addition, you can think 16 plus what number equals 28. Do the 28, 16, and the question mark represent the same parts of the problem in each equation? Yes. In both equations, 28 is the length in centimeters at first, 16 is the length in centimeters now, and the question mark is the length that was cut off. You can draw a picture for 28 minus equals 16. You see that 28 minus 12 equals 16. You can also draw a picture for 16 plus equals 28. You see that 16 plus 12 equals 28. Alex cut off 12 centimeters of string.
So as we see, our answer is the same if we use a subtraction or if we use the addition, because in both ways we get the same answer. This is the part that Alex cut from his ribbon.
Do these pictures both represent the problem?
Yes.
Yes, they both represent the problem. Does the answer change whether you use addition or subtraction to solve the problem?
No, as we see, our answer remains the same if we use subtraction or if we use the addition.
No. The unknown measurement is 12 centimeters, whichever way is used.
Now you know how to use drawings and equations to solve measurement problems.
And we're using the ruler or the measurement stick as the open number line. We had it in the previous topics. All right, so let's go to guided practice in your book, page 618, and see the examples we have. Write an equation and using a question mark that represents the unknown number. Solve with a picture or another way. Number 1, a plant was 15 inches tall. It grew and now is 22 inches tall. How many inches did the plant grow? So we know that it was 15 inches tall, and then it grew a little more that I don't know how many this plant grew, but now I know that it's 22. So we need to figure it out how much did we add from 15 to reach 22. So we're going to look here, and here we started with 22. Jump 2 inches to stop on 20, because I want to make sure that my addition is easy. And then after that, jump again to reach 15. That's the measurement that I have now. Add the 2 jumps that we have. So I have 2 inch plus 5 inch equals 7 inch. So 15 plus 7 equals 22. That means this plant grew 7 inches. So let's write down 7 inches. Okay. All right, let's go for number 2. Each bus is 10 meters long. Each boat is 7 meters long. What is the total length of 2 buses and 2 boats? So this is a different equation. I have one bus. I know the bus length is, or the length of the bus is 10 meters, and I have boat. I know that the length of the boat is 7 meters. So now I need to figure out how what's the length for 2 buses, which is 10 plus 10, and 2 boats, 7 plus 7. So this is easy, since one boat is 10 meters, so that means 2 boats will be 10 plus 10. And then I know this is the length of the bus. For the boat, I know that each boat 7 meters, and I have 2 boats, so plus 7 plus the other boat equal. So this is easy equation. I have 2 doubles. I know that 10 plus 10, double 10 is 20, and double 7 is 14. So 20 plus 14 equals 34. So let's put here 34. What measurement we use here? Meters. So I'm gonna put the unit that I used to measure meters. So there are 34 meters, 2 buses and 2 boats. All right, that's it for today's second graders. I leave you with the rest of the activity, page 619 and 620. Thank you. Hello, second graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 14. Today's lesson, lesson number 4, add and subtract on a number line. We did this before, but we're going to be using measurement and length in this lesson. So let's start. Please open your book, page 621.
Amelia walks 18 blocks on Monday and 5 blocks on Tuesday. How many blocks does she walk in all? Use the number line to show how many blocks Amelia walks. Then write an equation to show your work.
All right, so I can tell that in this equation, we adding because Amelia walks 18 blocks on Monday and she added more blocks, which she walked again 5 more blocks on Tuesday. So how many blocks does she walk on in all? So let's start. This is my open number line. So my equation would be she walked 18 and then she walked 5 more. So 18 plus 5 equals, let's find my answer using the open number line. So I'm going to use that. She walked first 18, so I know I'm going to have a big jump from 0. That's very important to start from the 0. And I know this 15, 16, 17, 18. And then she walked 5 more. All the way till here. So let's count. This is 18 and this is 5. Where did we land? If this is 20, 21, 22, 23. So we landed on 23, or she walked 23 blocks. All right, so let's see our video.
Amelia walks 17 blocks before dinner. She walks 8 blocks after dinner. How many blocks did she walk in all?
Let's solve a problem.
You can use a number line to add lengths. First, show the 17 blocks that Amelia walks before dinner. What operation will you use to solve this problem?
Select your answer.
I'm gonna be adding, so I'm gonna use addition because first she walked 17 blocks and then she walked again. She added more after dinner.
Addition. Why does the line stop between the 15 mark and the 20 mark?
Because we're looking for 17. So this is 15, 16, 17.
That is where 17 is. It is 2 spaces past 15. Amelia walks 17 blocks before dinner. Then add the 8 blocks she walks after dinner. Amelia walks 17 plus 8 equals 25 blocks in all. How can a number line help you show an addition problem?
All right. So first, when we measured the first part that Amelia walked, the first blocks, there were 17. I start from the 0, as you see, and go all the way to 17. So I know this is 15, add 2 more, 16, 17. So that's where she walked before dinner. And then after that, she added 8 more. So I start from where my arrow or where it stopped, which is 17, and count 8 more. And that's where we land on 25. So the open number line, show me the numbers and help me to add and find the steps or the jumps that Amelia used.
A number line helps you see how to add numbers. You can also use a number line to subtract lengths. Amanda buys 17 feet of rope. She cuts off 8 feet of rope to make a jump rope. How many feet of rope does she have left? First, show the 17 feet of rope using the number line. Then, subtract the 8 feet of rope Amelia cuts off. What does the purple arrow line show? It shows the number of feet of rope Amelia bought. Why is the gold arrow line pointing the other way?
Because she cut off part of the rope, so she's subtracting.
It points the other way to count back the number of feet of rope Amelia cuts off. You subtract the 8 feet of rope she cuts off. There are 17 minus 8 equals 9 feet of rope left. Now you know how to add and subtract on a number line.
Awesome. So let's do our guided practice. In your book, page 622, use the number lines to add or subtract. Number 1, 21 plus 7. So this is my open number line. I'm starting with the 0 and go all the way to 21. So this is 20 and one more small count, that's 1. So that's 21. Add more, 7. So start where you stopped and count 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where did we land? Very good. 28. How do I know? This is 25 and count what you have. 26, 27, 28. So 21 plus 7 equals 28 using that number line. Number 2, 28 take away 14. First, I need to stop at 28. So let's use and start from here, from the 0, and go all the way to 28. This is 25, 26, 27, 28. Right, so this is the 28. So take away 14. Take away 14 means I'm going backwards, counting 14. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we landed in over here. That's heading back because I'm subtracting. So 28 take away 14 equals 14. So today we learn about using open number line to subtract length or measurement. We know that when I add, I start from the 0 and I stop where the number is, and then I add more from there. And subtracting, I know I go to the opposite direction. Okay, I'll leave you to finish your activity in your book, page 623 and 624. Thank you.